Oh my goodness. What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. Today do I have something awesome for you. You asked for it and here it is, the Ducati Panigale V4. And man does this thing look epic. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on ahead and get it out on the road, not do a whole lot of talking right now, see how she rides. I'm just super excited about this because I cannot believe that I'm about to ride a V4. It's like my dream bike. This thing is awesome. And let's get to it. But before we do that, let's cut to the B-roll. Alright guys, let's get going here. This thing is awesome! So, pretty standard layout, a bunch of different buttons here where you can change a lot of different options and things on the screen here. I'm not really going to mess with anything because this is my buddy's bike, so I'm going to leave everything like it is. There is a race mode, but I'm going to leave it in sport right now. And then, yeah, let's get to it. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I'm riding a V4 right now. This is just so unreal. This is like the Ferrari of sport bikes. Alright, so sitting on this thing, compared to the R1 when I rode it, this has a very aggressive seating position. Brembo brakes on this thing, they stop on a dime. The bike with this much power, you gotta have some good brakes and they're good. They don't feel too spongy or anything. So this thing is pushing over 200 horsepower. I think it's like 214 with like 90 foot-pounds of torque. It's insane. Alright, this thing does like to lean over. So handling on here so far is pretty damn good. Well, just lost the GoPro. Now I gotta go back for it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the seat on this thing is pretty hard. I mean, what do you expect? It's a race bike. Not gonna have the most comfortable seat, but it is a really nice seat. This thing's a monster. It has torque and it has power for days. It will come up on you if you're not ready for it. So now, the heat. A lot of guys talk about these Ducatis running hot. So right now it's only 50 degrees outside, but just sitting here at idle, I do feel a little bit of heat coming up in the seat. I do see what they're talking about with the heat and everything. So in the summertime this may get a little toasty. That's what happens when you have too much power. Lose your GoPro.
2,000 years later.
And that's awesome too. When you go underneath the tunnel where it turns dark outside, it immediately turns black. So this TFT display is probably the nicest of all of the TFTs that I've seen. The R1 has a good one, Aprilia has a good one, but this one by Ducati is very nice. So far I'm loving this bike. The handling is really good. This bike is very flickable. This thing is built for the track. Like I said, it's got power for days. I just can't believe I'm still riding this thing. I just can't believe it. I'm telling where that thing went. Hope that's it right there. Yes! There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's still in one piece. The power delivery on this thing is, it kicks you in the face. And shifting through the gears is very smooth. So quick shift up and quick shift down. I think the weight distribution on here is really good too, just because of the way that the gas tank is set up. And the gas tank kind of starts right around here and goes all the way down under the seat. So the cross plane of the R1 and the V4 engine sound is starting to grow on me. I used to not like them as much. I just like the standard sport bike sound, but I think I'm starting to really like it. Man, it's like you, like with all the others, you have to hold on because that torque is there. It will throw you back. I'm in love with this TFT display. It is so clear and crisp. So this thing is packed with all types of features, everything you can think of, from all the different types of, you know, launch control, wheelie control. A lot of these newer bikes have all that stuff. I don't have a lot of time to really go through that, and I usually never do with these bikes. But yeah, I mean, you can get in there and really customize this bike to your liking. There is a race mode on this, and so I'm in sport mode right now. So just how powerful this thing is in sport mode, I can only imagine what it is in race. Oh man, I still cannot believe I'm on a Ducati Panigale V4. It's just unreal. I'm able to ride my dream bike. I will say with the ergos, besides just the aggressive lean forward position, is that just like with the Aprilia, I feel kind of cramped on this bike. It feels smaller because I don't have a lot of room to back up on this seat, and I just feel kind of, I don't know, I don't have a lot of room on this bike or the Aprilia RS-V4. So I think it's just an Italian bike thing. I don't know. You guys let me know. I feel like I'm more comfortable on something like the R1 or the Gixxer. I will say the heat is keeping me nice and warm right now. So just like the Aprilia, if you plan on getting a bike like this, you just got to know it's going to come with a cost. So maintenance on these Italian bikes are a little expensive, and they made them to where you really can't work on them yourself. You got to take them in for everything. So if you're gonna get a bike like this, just be ready to spend some money. Alright guys, so I just want to step off the bike one more time, do a quick little walk around so you can see it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So I'm a real fan of the way the front end looks. Huge rear tire. So in the tail section here, I was trying to figure out how you could fit something back here, but I think once you do the key, this part right here just slides out and you can slide something in there. It's not like your standard sport bike where you can take the back cowl or seat off and have, you know, some good amount of space to put, you know, some stuff back there. You really can't put anything in here. So I wanted to get some good audio for you guys and put my recorder back here, but that wasn't happening. Even though it has a really aggressive sitting position, I still can flat foot it. No problem there. Yeah guys, so I know this is a quick first ride, but got to get it back to my buddy. He's got to get back on the road, but I really appreciate him allowing me to ride this bad boy. Alright guys, if you are new to the channel, I'm gonna be doing stuff like this all the time with these first rides, any of these bikes I can get my hands on. But please give me a like and be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.